Welcome back to OnToReviews. Today I'm reviewing this 10-inch bamboo steamer from BirdRock. It's currently $22.79 on Amazon. I've invested in bamboo steamers before and they've fallen apart on me. This one got good reviews and it seems to be made a little bit better. However, they're all kind of constructed the same, so I'm not exactly sure if these just don't last a very long time, but we'll check back in about a year from now and see how it performs. But so far I'm excited to use this. We are gonna make homemade bao buns today. I've never made them before, so let's give it a shot. I picked an easy, foolproof recipe. I'm gonna slow cook some pork and we'll have Asian style bao buns for dinner tonight. I'll also show you how to use this for some of the basics that you would use. You can steam vegetables with this and you can also steam some soup dumplings. I'll go through all the steps so that you know what to do and how to use this bamboo steamer. And honestly, this is a game changer. I think every kitchen should have one. So thanks for tuning in to OnToReviews. Subscribe if you haven't already. We test products in our kitchen using real recipes. We vet them. We let you know the pros and the cons so that you can make informed decisions for your own kitchen. So let's get on to reviews. Okay, to start. This comes with 2 layers and they're 10 inches wide. Originally, I ordered a smaller bamboo steamer that had fallen apart after a year of use. And honestly, I feel like the bigger size is needed in our kitchen. We ran out of space. The benefit of these steamers is you can literally stack them as high as you want. So you could order several of these online and just stack and steam at the same time. The lid here is nicely constructed, and again, you have your other layer here as well. So we are gonna steam some pork soup dumplings, and I'll show you one of my favorite brands that I use, and my kids love them. We'll also make some homemade bao buns, and I'll quickly show you the slow cooked pork that I make that will go inside of those, and that'll be a delicious dinner. Okay, I have some pork butt here, and we're gonna sear it on a high heat on all sides, and then we're going to add some green onion and some garlic and some slices of ginger. This will all be removed after, so it doesn't matter how you cut it, just chunks is fine. And then we're gonna add some soy sauce, some Shaoxing wine, some white pepper, and a little bit of water. I'm gonna place that in the oven at 275 degrees, and I'm gonna cook that for about 4 to 5 hours until tender. It's gonna be a delicious dinner with our homemade bao buns that we're gonna steam in the steamer. I also wanna show you how to steam soup dumplings, which is the traditional way to use a bamboo steamer, for example. And I'm gonna show you one of my favorite soup dumpling brands. I just think it's the most authentic tasting, and it's a real easy, quick meal when the kids are hungry. It takes about 11 minutes to cook. Super simple, fresh ingredients. So let me show you that. Okay, these are the Mila soup dumplings. They are now available at Costco for a really great price, and you can also order them on their website directly. I'll link that below for you. Inside, they'll give you the parchment paper that you'll use on the steamer tray. Prior to this, I was kind of fitting it inside of a smaller steamer basket, but now that I've invested in the larger size, this fits perfectly, so that's nice. So these are made for the 10-inch diameter, which is this guy. So all you'll do is you'll place the parchment paper inside like this, and then the dumplings are ready to go. I spray a little bit of avocado oil underneath each of these because they do tend to stick to the parchment paper, so this will prevent it from doing so. And these are soup dumplings, so you want to make sure that they don't fall apart when you take them out, because the whole joy of a soup dumpling is to have that broth as you take a bite. And then what we're gonna do is we'll heat a pan with about 2 inches of water. We'll get that to a boil, and then we'll place the basket on top and put the lid on as well. I'll set the timer for 11 minutes as per this recipe, and then from there you can turn the boil down to a simmer because the steaming process has begun, and these will steam the dumplings. So this is the end result, and my kids love these, so I highly recommend these in your home. So the bao bun turned out okay. I will say that next time I try this recipe, I will use like a tapioca flour or a cake flour, something that's a little bit lighter. This did seem a little heavier. It was hard to knead. I was very unsure if this was gonna turn out, but it did an okay job. Once the pulled pork is ready, I'm gonna add that in. We're gonna throw in some julienne carrots, some cucumber, some fresh cilantro, maybe a little bit of jalapeno, and maybe some hoisin sauce on top. There it is, we have dinner. I will say that some of the things I noticed when using this is that the lid is a little bit finicky to get on. I think it can warp with the washing and it takes a little bit to sort of find its way. You do not wanna throw these in the dishwasher. The bamboo will absorb the water, so you don't wanna also soak it in water as well. You just wanna give it a light soapy wash with a cloth or a sponge, and then shake off as much excess water as you can and let it air dry. So this is from BirdRock Home, and overall, I think the quality is good. There are several brands out there that make these bamboo steamer baskets, but so far I can tell that this is really sturdy and it's recommended on Amazon. And we'll come back and let you know in a year from now if this stood the test of time. So I hope this review is helpful for you. Subscribe to OnToReviews if you haven't already. All the products you've seen in this video will be linked below. Please give us a like and let us know if there's any recipes or any products you'd like us to review in the future. If you'd like me to link some of the recipes, I'm happy to do so as well. So stay tuned for more, and we'll see you soon.